thousands of projects spanning across continents, millions of tons of structural steel, tens of millions square meters of roofing and wall panels, and tens of millions of liters of industrial paint. These impressive figures are the culmination of over 2 decades of dedication and innovation. For more than 20 years, SAECO has proudly infused its high-quality steel into projects across continents. Beyond the mere numbers, these figures represent a remarkable growth story, historical milestones that lay the foundation for flourishing. The foundation of SAECO's sustainable growth lies in the unwavering strength of its people and products. SAECO brings clients' visions to life, transforming drawings into tangible structures across diverse industries and sectors. SAECO's 4 modern steel structure manufacturing plants adhere to stringent domestic and international standards, producing tens of millions tons of steel structures annually alongside ancillary products such as roofing and wall panels, SP deck, industrial paints. Nearly 1,000 dedicated employees in the SAECO home confidently provides comprehensive solutions from consultation, design, fabrication, and installation. Upholding the spirit of perseverance and innovation in every project, we always demand perfection in every detail. Creativity, sustainability, professionalism are the unwavering principles that guide SAECO's every action. With SAECO, wherever there's a dream, there's success. Our journey of growth is far from over, as we believe that creativity and dedication will propel SAECO to become a global symbol of quality.